So Mother's Day is around the corner, and mother sneakily saw my hair color that came in and said, "Oh, why don't you color my hair?" So I thought I could do it for her as a Mother's Day present. And she knows how I don't really like to handle other people's hair, so it's a big deal. I've turned my room into a salon. This is called Scherezade salon. And first up, we've got Mother, who's the guinea pig. I have never colored anybody's hair, including my own. She is number one to go. The old lady has a lot of grays, as you can see.
Old lady, you may be old.
And her choice of color is usually different. We don't have what her color was, is not available. So we ordered these 3 colors. Basically, we called the grocery store and whatever they had, we ordered. So there's either burgundy or chocolate, and obviously she doesn't want to do burgundy, so I'm going to go with burgundy, and we're going to give her the chocolate, which is lighter than her usual. Like, I think her hair is very dark right now, and I feel like she could use some color in quarantine. And also it's fresher for a senior citizen like her who is obsessed with coloring her hair. This is actually a great time to go grey if you want to, but since mother doesn't want to, we're going to color her hair. And this is a great thing you can do with, I guess, your moms for Mother's Day as well, since we're all in lockdown. Yeah. So welcome to Share Care, and your treatment starts now.
But make sure that they do something that they don't like to do like you.
And also mother has not washed her hair in 2 days, which is not great.
You told me not to wash.
Have you ever colored hair by yourself?
No.
Neither have you. Wonderful. The blind leading the blind. There's some kind of a color cream, I guess, the developer cream, and what is this? The casting creme gloss. So let's read the instructions.
Instructions at the back of the box?
No, there's a leaflet.
Yeah, it's really such a...
No, mom, that's just a brief. Like, the detailed instructions are here.
Have you read all this before?
Method 1. Your hair is not colored. Method 2, your hair is colored. Your hair is plenty colored. So I think we'll go with method 2. Wet your hair without washing it.
Huh?
Yeah. Towel dry thoroughly.
It's rubbish.
Apply in sections. Massage the roots to ensure product is thoroughly worked. Leave on 15 minutes for the roots. Okay, so first we have to wet your hair without washing it now. So
how are you going to do that? You have a spray?
Close your eyes.
Not so much, Cherry. A man. It's going on my... What are you doing? Bal.
It's not wet.
Take a brush and do, yeah.
I don't have a brush.
Get my brush. How? I hate this water.
But your hair needs to be wet.
Yeah, but cold water I do.
It's not cold.
It's cold. You're not supposed to use wet hair. What
It says the wet hair. In the salon also they wet your hair.
Yeah! No. Bus now enough. You can't
1
make so
minute.
Ayyo. This experiment is cuckoo. Whole towel is wet, Cherry.
Mother, your hair has so many tangles. Do you ever brush it? Like
Everywhere.
So we have this, which is the color and the mixing agent, which is being mixed in front of you. So you can see that we're following hygiene and safety protocols in this salon. And since we could not obviously get our hands on a dye brush, we're going to use an old paint brush because that's all we could find. So
I hope it's clean.
It's been cleaned for you. I mean, it's been used for painting before, but I've had to clean it for you. And we're going to wear the gloves, which we should have done earlier.
Yeah. Hurry up, it's so hot. Oof, horrible smell. Why is it smelling so bad?
There's no ammonia. I've chosen ammonia-free color for you.
No wonder it's smelling.
There's no ammonia. What no wonder it's smelling?
Why is it smelling so much?
Come on. Now.
Do it like this.
Yeah, but I'm starting at the back.
No, on top.
How on
Should be
top?
put at the back.
But this portion, the
No,
lower
that's
portion-
okay. Yo, come on. Where the more it is.
Okay.
Leave that, no? Just
But I can't do it like that. I need to do it with this. Okay.
No.
Okay, here.
Start this side and then this side.
Okay.
Right from the root.
Okay.
Avoid the root, huh?
Let's check the time. It's 1:04 as we start. And
put it properly where it is more.
Grey. Trying to cover Roshan's grace. You look up, mother. If you look down, I can't see. But can you not cover your face like this and sit
I can't
like...
help it. Smelling. Now do it like this flat. Put more on top.
Yeah.
You're not putting only.
I am.
Show the bowl.
I am putting, Mom.
Show the bowl.
Stop testing me.
No. You have to put more on top because it's more on top.
I am putting. Look up.
Like this, it will take 1 hour only to dry up.
No, I'm going faster.
You put more.
Giving you a new look. Gonna look brown and chocolatey.
God knows what you're gonna do. And then 1 month later, God knows what I'll have to do. Make sure your mothers have lots of time for this, if you go for it. You put some music.
Sorry.
I think Jane will not be able to recognize the Graga.
Your video calls are gonna be like, everyone's gonna be like, who's this new lady?
Yeah, new lady.
And now wait, I have to clean the extra color from the front.
Is there?
Yeah.
Clean the color, but don't take out the other color which you put up.
So you want to take a wet piece of cotton and remove all the extra color that you put. And now you wait like this for like 30 minutes.
15 minutes?
15 minutes, yeah, because we spent 15 minutes already.
Clean that. It's hot?
Yeah.
Very hot.
No, Mom is good. No, it's not waiting.
It's not coming?
Not really.
Coming?
No. No, I'll have to do that.
Don't do this. I don't want it.
There's all this color.
I wonder what it is. I just push my chair down.
I have not pushed it your movie.
Honestly, I watched it. I don't know.
Now you have your bath normally, shampoo your hair. The one I am opting for now is the no ammonia one, which is this. I don't really know what the deal is with this, but it says I don't need to wet my hair, so I guess different ones work differently. So I'm gonna just put on the gloves. Ready! And I've got a 3-cam setup going here. I've washed Mummy's hair, she's taking a shower, and now I think it's time for me to do mine. This is a quick before situation. I have some grays, as you can see. My hair is a bit browny, but we are going with a different color. Mine is the, as I said, it's a burgundy situation. We have the color and the diluter mixer thingamajig. Okay, here we go. I'm also going to do the paintbrush approach as opposed to this direct one because my stylist said that it's better and it'll give you better coverage. So first we're going to empty out the tube. Oh shit. This one had water in it. Okay, so it was a bit of a mishap. Do over. Pouring all this in. Okay, so we have all the color here. And yeah, now I'm going to mix the whatever this is called, the developer, using my great mixing skills. Mix. Like I used to say, blend, mix. Again, as I said, I didn't have a dye brush, so I'm using a paintbrush, a big fat paintbrush that I got. Gonna try and clip one section and do this. Here we go. Wish me luck. Let's do this. So I'm kind of applying with a brush and spreading with my glove. I don't know what technique I'm using for this since this is me alone, but could have asked my mom to do it, but I just felt like it would be, like not her Mother's Day present then, so doing it myself. I'm gonna release the next layer. If you're a hairstylist, comment below and tell us why one color said that your hair should be wet and the other said not. I'm still confused as to why that was, but yeah, what is the difference? Rohit, if you're watching, please comment. I know you are. Rohit is my hairstylist who has very kindly guided me through this process over WhatsApp before on what color to order and how to do this and what to use. What my mom said was interesting, and it's true. I didn't realize it, but obviously focus more on the front and start with the front because that's what you're gonna kind of see right now. In quarantine, you're not really gonna see the back, and no one else is really seeing your hair. It's pretty much for your own fun that you're doing this. So focus more on the front to make sure that the color catches on like your roots and the front. Oh my god, I just dropped some color on my shorts. I don't know what I'm doing here, but I'm definitely trying to cover the front properly to make sure that I don't have like any bits that are not done. And my hair is really thick and dense, so I really have to go like deep. I mean, this is feeling weirdly therapeutic. Like, I don't know what, but it just feels like nice to be muscling all this into my head right now. I don't know how people with long hair color their own hair. Like with my short hair, I'm like, how do I do the back? What's happening with the back? I'm just like randomly just like topoing color and like using my hands. Have I done the back? Last bit of color. Okay, so we're done. Gonna leave this on, wash it, and then you guys are gonna see purple cherry. So I feel like that was a mega fail because we look the same. I feel like you should have got my color and I should have got yours because it seems darker. Like my hair looks more black than burgundy.
Yeah.
And
mine is looking
your
more
brown is looking much lighter.
redder.
So, yeah,
reddish,
redder.
yeah.
So yeah, maybe we should have done a color swap, but then I guess
okay.
we live and learn.
Live and learn. Yeah. For the first time, I think it's very, very good if you ask me.
So that's it from us, guys. Hope you enjoyed our DIY hair color. Happy Mother's Day to all the mummies watching. Enjoy. See you guys.
God bless you all. Bye.